Hey, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo. I'm waiting for a special delivery, but it's a special day here at Paul's Photo. I want all of you to come down to Paul's Photo, enjoy the big changes we've made here at Paul's Photo. Wait a minute, I hear the truck pulling up. What is that?
Spirit delivery.
Oh my gosh, look at that. We got a box, and I'm going to open this box up. Oh, yes! What do we got? That's right. We're going to unbox the brand new Canon EOS R3 that was just announced today. So take a look at that, Pete. Isn't that awesome? Right? I'm going to open the box right there. Look at that. Wow! That is one super light camera, right? So the EOS R3, you guys know, 24 megapixels, 30 frames per second, 6K video, 102,400 ISO. And it's even got new focus tracking that'll track my eyeball. Look at the back right here. Look at how thin that camera is. This is so cool. Now, of course, this is a joke. R3, brand new camera, just announced today. If you want an R3, you've got to get on the waiting list. Come to Paul's Photo. It's the best place to get on the waiting list for an EOS R3. So you can shoot 24 megapixels, 30 frames per second, eye control focus, tracking for birds, animals, peoples, motorsports, all that fun stuff we know about. If you order one today, you may get one this year. You'll probably wait till the first quarter of next year to get a camera because they're really going to be in tight supply. You've got to get on a waiting list. So come on down to Paul's Photo. Call us. Our premium priority pre-order service is in play. With a $500 deposit, you get a number of which of the Canon R3s that we receive you're going to get. Now, how many cameras we get? That depends on Canon and the worldwide situation and shipping and logistics and all that kind of stuff. But we're going to do the best we can to get you your camera before anybody else. And yes, if you come to Paul's Photo, we'll take care of you from top to bottom. Are there any questions, Mr. Peter?
Cisco says, will you switch from Nikon now?
I love any camera that takes a great picture, guys. And the Canon R3 is an awesome camera. And if you're a Canon shooter, so if you're a Canon SLR shooter, you got to come in and take a look at the Canon mirrorless. You know, the R5, the R6, and now the R3, and get yourself up to speed, up to snuff with this amazing new super thin, super lightweight camera. Now, a couple of my friends who've used the R3, the first thing they say is how surprisingly light the camera is. And I want to get you involved in that. I want to get you up to date on that. Any other questions, Peter?
Nope. You got a bunch of laughing emojis.
I got a bunch of laughing emojis. That's great, because you should all be laughing, because this is a joke. We don't have R3s today. They were just announced today. It's going to be the end of 2021 or early 2022 before you'll get to see a camera. Hopefully we'll get some demo cameras and have some events here with the camera so you can touch one. We're doing everything possible. But the worldwide situation is not cooperating sometimes. We're doing the best we can. Other questions or comments, Peter?
Comment from K. Hobito says, best store to buy a camera.
Yes! Awesome! Thank you, Kay. That's awesome. We love it that you're the best. You think we're the best place to buy a camera. Amazing.
I forgot it. I'm sorry.
What else can I help? Any other questions?
I think that's it right now.
Awesome. Well, gang, you got to see it first. Our little joke about Canon EOS R3, but we're really excited about the R3 and what this camera is going to do for the action photographers, for the Canon photographers. We want everybody to get on the list to get your R3. Don't forget the new 100 to 416 millimeter lenses. Get on the list for those. We're getting in this week. I've heard we're getting some of the Canon 100 to 500s and 14 to 35 lenses. We're going to get a couple of those in stock. We may even get some of the 100 millimeter macros. We're doing the best we can to get these hard to find items for you as soon as possible. Anything else, Peter?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Golly, that was only a couple minutes, gang. All right, so look at this, gang. R3. You saw it unboxed right here for the first time. That's right, it's a joke. But we were really serious about getting you your camera so that we can have some fun and make some great action pictures together. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. It's a great day to be creative. It's a great day to get on the list for a new camera. Come on down to Paul's Photo. We'll get you taken care of. Have a great day, everyone. See you real soon.